The another set operator is finding the intersection of two elements by using bitwise AND operator. We should not use intersection function. So in a simple way, in interview point of view, how to find the intersection of two elements or two sets by using bitwise AND operator. Let us consider the following code. S1 is equal to Java, Python and data science. S2 is equal to, there I am writing Python, and next I am writing HTML, next C#. Now I want to find the intersection of these two sets. S3 is equal to S1 bitwise AND operator S2. Bitwise AND operator internal implementation is to find the intersection of two elements. Let us print the result of S3, which will print intersection of two elements. Let us see the answer we get. Python is a common element of S1 and S2. Suppose if there are no common elements, this is a Python 1, no common elements, it returns an empty set. For more videos, subscribe and link given below NareshIT Technologies. Thank you.